strategies, winning strategies of a lot of big brands that most of you might have heard of are made here in this section.
बिकॉज के कुछ 2 सालों के ही टाइम स्पैन में यू हैव केटर्ड टू ऑलमोस्ट 300 क्लाइंट्स एंड मोर देन लाइक 200 नीशेस. लेकिन कोई भी अगर क्लाइंट होगा उसके दिमाग में एक क्वेश्चन तो आएगा ही कि भैया ये सब अच्छा है पर आप रेवेन्यू कहाँ से लाओगे. तो मतलब यहाँ पे लोग नेटफ्लिक्स सीरीज देखने के लिए रात को जागते हैं, आपकी टीम रात को काम करने के लिए जागती है. आई थिंक दैट्स अ ह्यूज थिंग फॉर आई थिंक एवरीबडी. इट्स एन इंस्पिरेशन. क्या बात है, मतलब किसी ने ठीक ही कहा है कि असली मज़ा सबके साथ आता है. So guys, I've heard कि Prinkit.in गुजरातनी fastest growing and most advanced digital marketing company है. So I being an RJ, I'm very curious to find out कि why is that so? So let's find out. I'm at the Prinkit.in office. Let's go. Okay, so he's the man himself. He's the founder of Prinkit.in. Sir, सबसे पहले तो I want to congratulate you on the fact that you are the fastest growing digital marketing agency.
Oh yeah, thank you so much, and all because of our amazing team. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. So first of all, मुझे बताओ कि इतनी सारी marketing agencies हैं. So how is Prinkit.in different from rest of its contemporaries?
So the core difference is we are not a marketing agency or a digital marketing agency, but we are a performance marketing agency. So what does performance mean? Let us say someone is a digital marketing agency. They feel accountable for, let us say, clicks or their brand awareness or the cost of click, but we account ourselves directly for the sales of the product. So let us say if we are a real estate group, then we do not account ourselves for the quality of creatives or the brand awareness or the reach, impressions, likes or something, but we account ourselves directly for the number of houses or their products sold. So that is the core difference, and that makes us different.
Very well. And also that you are the most advanced digital marketing agency. So ये जो advanced का notion है, how does that fit into the picture?
See, so advanced means we make strategies that are very less used in market. And to know in detail what exactly advanced means, I would like to take you to a very interesting room of our office.
For sure.
Digi War room. So here
Digi
all
War.
the strategies gets planned. So please, Rupa.
We'll follow you, please sir.
Yeah.
So as you can read, it says Digi War room. क्या बात है. यहाँ का एटमॉस्फेयर भी काफ़ी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि देयर आर सो मेनी पोस्टर्स ऑल अराउंड इफ यू कैन सी. ये सब है क्या? व्हाट आर दीज पोस्टर्स एंड व्हाट इज दिस रूम ऑल अबाउट?
Yeah, so see the very interesting part of this room is that strategies, winning strategies of a lot of big brands that most of you might have heard of are made here in this section.
That's amazing.
And so this is a place where, you know, let us say before we start any advertisement or a campaign or before we even pitch to any client, we do extensive research, we do intensive research, lot of you know researches, studies,
Right.
brainstorming meetings, and everything happens here. So, and these all are some forms of strategy that we come up with. We call them traffic flows, and based on these strategies, we implement them after they get prepared here, and then we finally help our client generate revenues.
That's excellent. Okay, so also I would want to know कि as an organization a lot of people face a lot of challenges. So Prinkit.in के लिए वो major challenges as an organization क्या है?
See, first is the level of strategies that we make, the advancement that we seek. You know, most of the agencies in our industry, in our city, are not up to that, and so are the institutes. So the institutes that teach students are also not of these level. So we have scarcity of talent. That is, we have to seek talent from Mumbai, from Delhi, and many cases we also have to train our own talent. So that is one challenge.
So I'm very excited to see your office क्योंकि आपकी ऑफिस बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. यहाँ पे इस रूम का नाम Digi War room है, which is quite creative. And do you have some more perks in your office that you want to show me?
Sure, I'll show you.
Let's go.
Let us start from the entrance.
Absolutely. Oh, so what is this? I mean, this space मैंने आते ही देखा था ये space है क्या ये exactly?
So this is a small game section, game zone we call it, and here there are small games like carom.
There's also foosball for all the friends fans. यहाँ पे foosball भी है. They play carom. वो air hockey है I believe.
Yeah, a small version of air hockey that actually throws air. So in lunch time, in break time, or whenever someone gets exhausted or stressed, they can come here and play games and rejuvenate themselves.
Wonderful. So I believe ये जो सारे games है वो आपके work culture का ही एक बहुत intrinsic part है.
Yeah, exactly. So because we are a creative agency, of course we have a lot of deadlines.
Absolutely.
But see, there comes a time when you feel mentally exhausted at times.
Yeah.
So let us say if you are too much into something and you want a small 15-minute break or 20-minute break, you can come here with a colleague and play a game or something.
How cool is that? तो और क्या क्या चीज़ें encompass होती है आपके work culture में? If you can just show us around.
So I'll show you different sections. So this section we call it as the name says, this is Kurukshetra. So Kurukshetra is the field, the battlefield. So this is our design team. He is our Senapati, Neeraj bhai. So this is our Kurukshetra. Here this is the actual battlefield because every idea takes shape when a creative is made and a copy is written.
Wow.
So this is the place where every idea slowly starts taking shape. So we named it Kurukshetra.
And if may I just add, आपका कुरुक्षेत्र भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. यहाँ पे सारे एम्प्लॉयज़ के डेस्क पे उन लोगों ने एकदम मोटिवेटिंग कोट्स एंड ऑल लगा के रखा है, विच आई फील इज ऑल्सो वेरी एसेंशियल. एवरी नाउ एंड देन अगर इसको देखो तो आप कहीं ना कहीं से तो मोटिवेट हो ही जाते हो. सी लाइक यहाँ पे भी कुंग फू पैंडा का पोस्टर चैलेंज एक्सेप्टेड. सो क्लियरली Blinkit.in के सारे ही स्टाफ मेंबर्स, एवरीवन, ईच एंड एवरीवन इन्वॉल्व्ड इज सच अ वॉरियर, आई मस्ट से.
Yeah, and this is, as the name says, Ad Vantage Point. So the next side is this side is our ads team. So after the creatives, after from Digivor room, strategies are made and they are concretely made. And once strategies are made, it goes to copy team and then to Kurukshetra. And once the ads are ready, graphics are ready, it comes to this Ad Vantage Point section wherein they are actually put into market, they are actually floated. The media purchase happens here and the actual result starts coming.
Absolutely. And if may I just add again कि ये प्रिंकित पटेल का डेस्क है. So I have generally seen कि founders की अपनी एक cabin होती है and your desk is right here. So I think as a leader you are very encompassing with your members of your team. तो आप as a leader, how do you choose to prefer to spend your time?
So see, personally, as in if I talk about my professional life, I feel my major interest and expertise is in making strategies. So I prefer and I desire to spend maximum time of mine in researching market of our clients and of our industry niches that we are working with and coming up with strategies around them. So that is my core desire for work. But then we also have to work like fire brigades. Anytime a small urgency comes, we keep on getting into it. But this is what I do with core. And because I stay here because I do not like isolation. I do not like sitting in the middle of four walls. So I prefer sitting with my team.
That's wonderful. So आगे आपकी ऑफिस में और क्या क्या यूनिक चीज़ें हैं?
So this is pre-war room. You see people are doing something inside. And so Krupa, this is our pre-war room here.
Let's get inside this. Can I?
He is
Okay.
Devanda and he is doing some product photo shoot. So here the actual photography for production and everything takes place. So
Right.
that it helps our Kurukshetra team. So this is it.
Wonderful. All right. So this is where all the photography and all the magic happens. And
This is the hottest place in our office.
it says Senapati cubicle.
Temperature. This is Senapati cubicle, and he is Achal.
That is Mr. Ajal Parekh.
So he is Achal, director of Blinkit.in, and his major goal, his primary goal is to ensure that every client gets delivered with the services that we commit. So
हाउ कूल इज दैट. सो अचल, सबसे पहले तो मुझे ये बताओ कि यू बीइंग द डायरेक्टर, आपको काफ़ी कुछ यहाँ पे यू हैव टू मैनेज एवरीथिंग अराउंड हियर, तो वो होता कैसे, एंड ऑल्सो हाउ डू यू डील विद द प्रेशर?
So basically, as Prinkit mentioned, that we are a performance-driven marketing agency. So what makes us different is that generally what people make mistakes is that they don't understand, and the agency should be a blend of creativity and the management.
Right.
So if they both the verticals should go hand in hand, and with it we also practice our team members. Our team structures are so well managed. We use advanced tools such as that. For scheduling a meeting, what happens is that people just call that let's meet, we have a time, and so, but here it is a professional approach that our team members, a person from our founder till our core team member uses Google Calendars for scheduling the meeting, which is the kind of which gives an advantage that things being kind of properly managed, as well for considering the tasks that clients delegate to us. And so each and every task which gets delegated to us, it does not get missed,
Right.
because the tools which we use and our management systems make it perfect and efficient system. And that's the reason why Prinkit.in is flying with this good flying colors. That's the reason.
How wonderful that is, and I believe management is the core of any organization. So, Mr. Prinkit Patel, आगे आप हमें क्या दिखाएंगे अपने ऑफिस में?
you tell me હવે શું જોવું છે?
Okay, I would want to meet this lady right here in the blazer.
So she is Shloka.
Okay, hi Shloka. Hi.
Our business development manager. Yeah.
ऑलराइट. ओके श्लोका, वन ऑफ द थिंग्स जो मैंने Prinkit.in के बारे में सुना था वॉज कि कुछ 2 सालों के ही टाइम स्पैन में यू हैव केटर्ड टू ऑलमोस्ट 300 क्लाइंट्स एंड मोर देन लाइक 200 niches. सो हाउ इज दैट बिन, एंड लाइक व्हाट इज क्लाइंट के लिए, मतलब हाउ डू यू लाइक टारगेट, एंड हाउ इज योर टारगेट अचीव्ड व्हेन इट कम्स टू यू पिचिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ क्लाइंट?
Right. So I believe it's very easy for Prinkit.in to bring a client. We have dedicated support system. Like we have a graphic designers, we have a dedicated advertisement department, we have social media managers. So that help us to bring some good strategies. And for that मतलब वो ऐसा हो जाता है कि जब client हमें approach करता है या we approach us to the client, हमारे पास strategies सब ready होती है. So that is the best thing. We just hand over them a blueprint and just बस वो engine होता है, वो start करा मतलब start उनका काम. So that is the unique thing I believe which matters the most to the clients. And उसकी वजह से हमारा सबसे ज़्यादा clients base है और satisfactory rate भी उतना ही है because we believe in delivering what we commit.
So I believe आप लोग पूरा जो homework होता है, all the strategy making, वो सब आप advance में करके जाते हैं.
Exactly. That's what we do. You may have seen the digital room. तो उसमें सारी जो strategies है वो we planned earlier. So वो पूरा strategies पूरा बना के ही हम present करते हैं.
क्या बात है.
So that is what which makes us unique and different.
वंडरफुल. इतना होमवर्क मैंने स्कूल में किया होता तो सोचो मैं आज डॉक्टर बन गई होती. प्रिंकित, आई मस्ट से योर एंटायर ऑफिस एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी इंप्रेसिव. लेकिन कोई भी अगर क्लाइंट होगा उसके दिमाग में एक क्वेश्चन तो आएगा ही कि भैया ये सब अच्छा है पर आप रेवेन्यू कहाँ से लाओगे? तो
Okay. So for that we have a very interesting 11-step procedure that is developed by our own team, and that has proved to be very effective in all the niches and for all the clients that we serve. It is a generalized process but a very intensive and very deep. So we first start with building buyer persona, and even before that we start with building product understanding. So every time a new client comes or a new lead comes, or if we are planning to approach someone, we start with understanding product. And by us saying product understanding, it is not a task of 1 hour or 2. It literally takes a week. Wherein so that is where the advancement and detailing comes. So while people so what we do is we first start with understanding product is, how did it origin, why was it formed, what are the competitors, what are the challenges, who consume it. And the second, so basically we feel as if we are the developers of product, and by the time we feel that, we move to step 2, that is understanding buyer. So this is again a very intensive process, not a process of a day or two. We invest significant time in understanding, doing actual on-field surveys, wherein we can define who our actual buyer is, what are his pain points, what are his hopes, fears, expectations, what is his routine, where is he available, and everything is studied in the second step. And then in third step, we start moving towards solution, and by the end of 11 steps, the entire sales funnel is built. And it takes form of charts like this that are shown in the Digi War Room. And once it is ready, it goes then this is the end of ideation part. And then it goes to execution.
Right.
And then it starts taking shape and then actually generating revenue. So this process is the secret sauce of our organization.
How beautiful is that? And I must say that your team looks very motivated. कि कई बार ऐसा होता है for a lot of organization, the challenge is to bring their team on the same page, to bring enthusiasm into them. But what I sensed from the team that I have met so far is that लोग खुद से ही बहुत self motivated हैं. So I think that must be acting to your advantage to some extent.
Yeah, it does. And the major reason that people are excited to work here is, number one, because they are actually nice, and I feel lucky that I am working with these people. And another thing is the environment that we have. It is stressful a lot of times, but it is equally fun in the rest of the times. And everyone who comes here has the fire to do something within. And in our interview process also, we do not see what skills is a person having, or what is his knowledge or experience. Yeah, of course that is seen, but the major focus is on what is his attitude, what is life to him, is he a achiever or not. And such skills matter us more than such qualities matter us more than the skills. And if a person with such qualities joins our organization, it definitely adds to the excitement and enthusiasm, and skills he'll definitely learn from colleagues.
Absolutely. So as and when the interview is like we're going ahead with it, I am really digging into this. I also want to know कि जब आप किसी client के साथ काम करते हैं, when you bring someone on board, तो आप क्या क्या देखते हैं client में? मतलब कभी कभी ज़रूरी नहीं है ना कि client आ जाए and we're like dying कि client आए. Sometimes we only want कि बस client आए, and we will also see that if this client is worth putting our time and effort into. So do you have any kind of like a filtration process, if I can say it?
Of course, we are very choosy about whom we work with, because it is not about with whom we'll enjoy, but it is, first criteria is the client must have a really good and amazing product. By me saying amazing product, it should be a very prominent, very exciting, very reliable solution to the problem that a buyer is facing. If the product is not amazing, we say that we won't be able to do this work. So this is point number one, because no marketer in this world can sell a product that is not sellable, and that is even not ethical. The second point is, even if the product is sellable, we try to dig in. But if there is something very peculiar, something very a B2B product or something which, in spite of trying a lot, we as a team fail to understand how exactly the market works, then also we meet client and tell that we won't be able to take up this work, because we are not able to. If I share it in simple words, we only take clients whose products or service we would want to buy if we would have been in the place of consumers. So if the client convinces us and sells this product to us, then we claim and commit to sell it to the world.
Exactly. अगर आपको ही मतलब ऐसा लगे नहीं कि ये मैं खरीदूंगा, तो आप किसी और को भी कैसे ही बेच पाओगे. So I think that is very wonderfully put about the working and the processing and the filtration of Prinkit.in. So thank you so much, Mr. Prinkit, for giving us so much of an insight into your organization.
Thank you, Krupa, and thank you so much for coming here and taking this entire, showing our company and exploring our work culture. Amazing.
That's what I do. I dig and I interview people because I just want to know about things and people. So thank you so much for joining me.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
So this is Ishita. She's also one of the team members of Prinkit.in.
Hi.
Hi Ishita. So सबसे पहले I want to know कि मुझे प्रिंकित पटेल ने बताया कि this is a performance marketing agency.
Yeah.
So being that आप लोग clients के sales की responsibility लेते हैं. So when you take such a huge responsibility, I believe कि you will have a lot of deadlines. So how do you guys cope up with that? How do you guys meet your deadlines and targets?
Okay, so as you came to know, we directly deal with the end sales for our clients.
Right.
So at times, situation becomes very challenging and stressful, but the work culture here is very amazing, and the team members of Prinkit.in are also very supportive. So to fulfill our deadlines and words, sometimes team also stays up at the night, and goal of Prinkit.in team is to make our clients happy.
क्या बात है, मतलब यहाँ पे लोग नेटफ्लिक्स सीरीज देखने के लिए रात को जागते हैं, आपकी टीम रात को काम करने के लिए जागती है. आई थिंक दैट्स अ ह्यूज थिंग फॉर आई थिंक एवरीबडी. इट्स एन इंस्पिरेशन. ओके, सो दिस इज नीरज भाई. ही इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ પાર્ટ ઓફ ધ ટીમ. સો મેં તમારા સોશિયલ મીડિયા ઉપર અને તમારા અહીંયા આખા ઓફિસ સ્પેસમાં પણ હું જોઈ રહી છું કે દેર આર સો મેની ફન લિટલ પર્ક્સ, ગેમ્સ છે અહીંયા આટલી બધી. તો આખું જે આ વર્ક કલ્ચરમાં ફન કલ્ચર ઇન્ટરવોવન છે એટ Prinkit.in, એને તમે કઈ રીતે ડિફાઇન કરશો?
એકચ્યુઅલી Prinkit.in ઇઝ અ વેરી ક્રિએટિવ કંપની. તો ક્રિએટિવિટી ક્યારે આવે? જ્યારે માણસ ફ્રી હોય, બરાબર. એટલે એને ફ્રી કરવા માટે આ બધી એક્ટિવિટીઝ કરવામાં આવે છે. ફેસ્ટિવલ અમે સેલિબ્રેટ કરીએ છીએ બધા જ, અને બહુ મજાથી સેલિબ્રેટ કરીએ છીએ. અમારા દિવસની શરૂઆત એક એક્ટિવિટીથી થાય છે, જે 15 મિનિટની એક્ટિવિટી હોય છે, અને બધાને એવું લાગે કે આવીને તરત ચલો જલ્દી કામ નહીં કરું. 15 મિનિટની એક્ટિવિટી રહે છે, અને થોડું માઇન્ડ ફ્રેશ થાય પછી વર્ક ચાલુ કરીએ છીએ. ઇવન લંચ ટાઈમ પછી બી અડધો કલાક અમે ગેમ ઝોનમાં આપીએ છીએ, કે બધા જ લોકો ગેમ ઝોનમાં અડધો કલાક સ્ટ્રેસ ફ્રી થાય, અને પછી પાછું લંચ પછી પાછું ટેક ઓવર કરે કામ.
અને Prinkit.in ના તો સેલિબ્રેશન્સ પણ બહુ ફેમસ છે સોશિયલ મીડિયા પર. તો તમે કઈ રીતે ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ કરો છો આખા
સેલિબ્રેશન? આખી ટીમ મેમ્બર્સ બધા અંદર વર્ક કરે છે, અને બધાને વર્ક ડિવાઈડ કરવામાં આવે છે કે ભાઈ તમારે આટલું કરવાનું છે, ને એ રીતે, અને એન્જોય કરીએ છીએ.
क्या बात है, मतलब किसी ने ठीक ही कहा है कि असली मज़ा सबके साथ आता है. So I'm in conversation with Prachi. She's the HR here. She's been telling me some really cool things. Prachi, one thing जो as an outsider मुझे समझ में आती है is कि digital media is ever changing. रोज़ कुछ ना कुछ नया होता है. It is very dynamic and it is ever growing sort of. तो in that situation, you being a digital marketing agency, आप लोग ये updated कैसे रहते हो? How do you stay on the same page as the current wave?
So firstly, we are having outstanding leaders over here, which keeps our team members, which keep their team members motivated about learning new things by, asking them to opt for some online courses, digital marketing online courses or graphics online courses. Over and above that, we arrange monthly workshops or weekly workshops based on ads or any digital marketing field. So which is conducted by, of course, our very own founder Prinkit. So that keeps that's a kind of employee engagement in terms of being techno savvy.
एम्प्लॉय एंगेजमेंट जैसे वर्ड्स सिर्फ HR के मुंह से ही आ सकते हैं. दैट्स वंडरफुल. एंड इफ इन जनरल मैं आपको पूछूं कि आप एज एन HR ये वर्क कल्चर को कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे इन वन वर्ड, तो आप क्या बोलोगे?
A family.
Oh, that's so sweet. So thank you so much, Prachi, for joining me.